You've got ChatGPT open, you're ready to save hours of work, and you're expecting it to write that perfect email, code snippet, or script instantly. But instead, you get something that sounds like a robot swallowed a dictionary. It's vague, boring, and unusable. Here's the truth. The AI isn't broken. Your workflow is. You are treating a supercomputer like a search engine. Today, we're fixing the 5 specific mistakes ruining your results so you never get a bad response again. Mistake number 1, the Google habit. Most of us are trained to speak Google. We type keywords like pizza recipe or best marketing strategy. But ChatGPT isn't a search engine retrieving links. It's a reasoning engine predicting text. When you give it keywords, it guesses what you want. When you give it instructions, it executes. Stop searching. Start commanding. Use verbs. Don't type pizza recipe. Type create a step-by-step pizza recipe for a beginner using a home oven and see the difference. Mistake number 2, the context vacuum. Imagine walking up to a stranger and saying,
"Write me an email."
They'd think you're crazy. That's what you're doing to AI. You give zero background info, so the AI hallucinates generic fluff to fill the void. Use the waitress rule. If you order a pizza, she asks, "What size would you like? Would you like any extra toppings?" Give the AI the who, the what, and the why. Feed it the context, then ask for the output. Mistake number 3, the one-shot wonder. This is the most common one. You prompt once, the result is bad, so you close the tab and say, AI doesn't work. ChatGPT is a chatbot. The keyword is chat. It's a conversation, not a vending machine. Treat the first output as a rough draft. Always follow up. Say, that's too lengthy, make it short. Or critique your own answer and improve it. And then see the difference. Mistake number 4, the identity crisis. If you don't assign a role, you get the average of the internet. And the average of the internet is pretty mediocre. Prime the AI. Start your prompt with act as an expert role. When you tell it to be a chef, a copywriter, or a fitness coach, it unlocks vocabulary and logic specific to that niche. Don't let it be basic. Mistake number 5, format amnesia. You ask a question and it gives you 5 huge paragraphs of text. It's impossible to read and annoying to use. You control the output, never accept the default. Tell it, give me this in steps, bullet points only, or format this as a CSV code block. Make the data easy to digest. Now, you fix the way you talk to the AI. You stop making these 5 mistakes. But having the right technique is useless if you don't have the right raw materials. You need the actual prompts to plug into the system. I created a video breaking down 5 free prompt templates that you can literally copy paste to automate your work today. Click that video right here to grab those templates. I'll see you in there.